Foods to eat if you have insulin resistance. Managing insulin resistance involves incorporating a balanced diet rich in foods high in fiber, a carbohydrate in plant-based foods, is crucial in managing insulin resistance. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which quickly break down into sugar and can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, fiber-rich foods are. This helps control blood sugar levels in different ways, including slowing digestion. Fiber is a complex carbohydrate that takes slower digestion promotes a gradual and steady release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Gradually releasing sugar. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. This gel slows down the absorption of the sugars you eat and can help stabilize your blood glucose levels after meals. Increasing satiety. Since fiber takes longer to digest, it stays in your digestive system longer and promotes fullness after eating. When you feel fuller for long periods after consuming fiber-rich foods, you're less likely to reach for sugary snacks or consume more. Fiber-rich food sources include, but are not limited to, whole grains, oats, whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa fruits, apples. Legumes, black beans, split peas, lima beans, chickpeas. Foods high in omega-3 fatty acids. So omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish. Research shows that chronic, low-grade inflammation associated with obesity contributes to the development of insulin resistance. Systemic body-wide inflammation triggers the production of chemicals that interfere with insulin signaling pathways, preventing the foods containing omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that fight inflammation. Omega-3 cells may also improve how cells respond to insulin, encouraging cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream to help control blood. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids can be a helpful addition to your diet when managing insulin resistance. Foods containing omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna, trout nuts and seeds, flax seeds, chia.
Foods high in magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a role in several metabolic processes, including insulin signaling and glucose regulation. Magnesium activates the body's insulin receptors, plays a role in stimulating the release of insulin from the pancreas, and promotes the transport of sugar into cells. When magnesium levels are low, your body's cells become less responsive to insulin, which can lead to insulin resistance. Consuming enough magnesium in your diet may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Foods high in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, collard greens, fruits, avocados, dried apricots, bananas, nuts and seeds, almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, millet, beans and legumes, black beans, lentils, chickpeas. Foods high in vitamin D. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, helps regulate insulin secretion and sensitivity. Studies show that people with low vitamin D levels are more likely to develop insulin resistance. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties, which may reduce chronic inflammation that contributes to insulin resistance. Research also shows vitamin D enhances insulin secretion to help regulate your metabolism. Getting enough vitamin D through food may improve your body's response to insulin and regulate blood sugar levels. Good dietary sources of vitamin D include fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, trout, tuna. Fortified foods. Vitamin D added to certain foods fortified, including cereal and orange juice. Dairy products. Milk fortified with vitamin D such as cow soy, oat, and almond milk and cheese. Foods high in protein. Incorporating protein-rich foods into a balanced diet can help manage insulin resistance. Consuming enough protein helps keep your muscles healthy and maintain your muscle mass. Muscle is the primary body tissue responsible for stabilizing blood sugar levels and removing glucose from the bloodstream. Compared to carbohydrates and fats, eating protein helps you feel full longer. This can also prevent you from eating more calories than your body needs, which is an important aspect of weight management. 15. There are many animal and plant-based sources of protein that you might consider adding to your diet, including lean meats, chicken, fish, pork, beef, eggs, whole eggs and egg whites, dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, legumes, beans, lentils, peas, nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, soy products, tofu, tempeh, edamame.